This will be a speed test between the Xiaomi Mi 9 versus the iPhone XS Max. Now the Mi 9, this one has the Snapdragon 855 and 6 gigs of RAM on its latest version of MIUI 10. iPhone XS Max, this one has the 812 Bionic chip, 4 gigs of RAM on its latest version of iOS. Turn on both at the same time. See which one has a faster boot up. Let's go. And give the boot up win to the Xiaomi Mi 9. And we are in. Nothing in the background on both. As you can see, all apps have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close. Messages. Very close again. The camera, we'll do it like this. And let's go. And give the edge to the iPhone on that one. Clock on both phones. We'll go ahead and start the stopwatch on both and leave that running in the background. The Xiaomi browser and Safari, go. Do a search for GSM Arena. And let's go. Looking at the progress bar and ooh, looks like the iPhone's way out in front on this. Go ahead and scroll to the desktop version. On the iPhone, there we go. Go. Looking at the bar again, and this one, give the win to the Mi 9. According to the progress bar, pinch to zoom, nice and smooth on the iPhone, and do the same thing on the Mi 9, nice and smooth as well. Calculator on both. You guys are the judges. Play Store and App Store, go. Give the edge to the Mi 9, click on any app, and we'll leave it on that. Amazon Shopping. Advantage to the Mi 9 on this, click on the deal of the day. eBay. And Mi 9 a little bit faster, as you can see. Click on this iPhone 7. Super Mario Run. Loading on the Mi 9. Will the iPhone XS Max catch it? No, it does not. Give the win to the Mi 9. Tap to play. Temple Run 2. Loading on the Mi 9. Will the iPhone catch up? It does not, and give the win to the Xiaomi Mi 9. Tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on the Mi 9, will the iPhone catch it? Oh, Mi 9's ahead. And give the win to the Xiaomi Mi 9 on this, as you can see. Asphalt 9. Ooh, iPhone out in front a little bit. Will the Xiaomi catch up? Oh, so close, but I'm gonna give the win to the Mi 9 on that. I'm pretty sure it was the first one. Slow down the video for me. We'll tap this play button once. PUBG. Starting on both phones. Ooh, iPhone's ahead. Will the Xiaomi catch it? And loading on the iPhone. Both are loading right now. Looks like the iPhone's out in front a little bit. Yup. And give the win to the iPhone XS Max on this. Photoshop Express. I have this 8K image. I'm gonna go ahead and choose the charm on both. I'm gonna go ahead and choose charm 2. So you can see. All right, I'm gonna jack this up all the way. And I'm gonna go ahead and save it on both. Click on that on the iPhone and save it to the camera roll on the iPhone and save the gallery on the Mi 9, and we'll see which one does this faster. And let's go. A little bit faster on the iPhone XS Max, as you can see. Twitter on both. Give that to the Mi 9. Ooh, iPhone lagging here a little bit. Instagram. Mi 9 on this, and Snapchat, the Mi 9 again. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background, so you can see. We'll see how they handle the RAM management. Mi 9 does have 2 more gigs of RAM, so we'll see what happens. We'll just go through these apps again, see if there's any reloads. Looking good so far on both. PUBG, and good to go on both phones. And Asphalt 9, good to go on both phones. Oh, what's going on here on the iPhone? Okay, I don't think that was a full reload on the iPhone. Angry Birds 2. Oh, is this yep. Xiaomi Mi 9 is reloading this. And Temple Run 2. Xiaomi Mi 9 reloading this, so you can see. iPhone kept it there. Super Mario Run and iPhone right there, and reloading on the left. eBay, and a little bit faster on the right. Amazon, a little bit faster on the right again. Play Store and App Store, same place. Calculator, still there. Browsers, ooh, both are reloading the page, as you saw. Clock, both still running the stopwatch in the background. The camera, there you go. Messages, and the phone app, a little bit faster on the Mi 9. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you a Xiaomi fan? Do you like yourself some Xiaomi phones? Are you rocking the Mi 9, the Mi 8 from last year, or the Xiaomi Mi Mix series of phones? Or are you an Apple iSheep, rocking the iPhone XS Max or the lower priced iPhone XR or the iPhone X from last year? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.